Hey everybody, Scott here, Bolted On. We get asked all the time, what is the difference between our two Harley chocks? We have an original chock and our universal roll-on chock. Here's the biggest difference. When you roll a bike into our original Harley chock, you roll it in, and as you can see, you cannot get off because the bike will not stand up. When you roll the bike into our universal roll-on chock, you roll the bike in, and there you go. The bike stands up all by itself. The beauty of this wheel chock, of the universal roll-on chock, is it has an adjustment. It fits any size tire, dirt bike, sport bike, mini, you name it, it fits it. And it also has adjustments here and here. And the goal with this wheel chock is for the saddle to be level with the top of the base plate. That's where you want this. We also have an added tie down so that if you have a bike next to it and you want to secure to it, or if you have something in the front you want to secure to it. That's the biggest difference between our wheel chocks. Thanks again.